I'm Benny, long time no see, because recently I'm very busy, and we have several projects now in delivery process. Here is one of our warehouse for the very heavy goods products. In our warehouse now we have several projects going to deliver. This project this is our new product, 2-in-1 DC generator. This generator is not PMSM. It's without the permanent magnets, and it's very compact. And this one is 35 kilowatt, and efficiency is 93%, and it's very high efficiency. And this generator can work with gasoline engine and diesel engine, and the working speed is from 1,800 RPM to 3,600 RPM. And to help our customer to connect with their engine, we will supply the connect assembly. And this connect assembly is to connect the flywheel of the engine and our motor. And I can show you how we connect, how we install into the motor. We have two parts. This part is connect with the motor, and this part, the board, is connect with the flywheel of the engine. And it's one step. It is simply insert into the motor, and this part, wrong position, should be like this. Okay, this is the right position. And this side connect to the flywheel, and this side connect to the other side, connect to the motor. And this generator can output different voltage according to battery project voltage. For this project, we will use in the US market. This is 662 volt to charge the LTO battery for a machinery equipment. And here is our transmission. Is our gearbox 6-gear transmission. It is electric gear. It can automatically switch to different gears according to the speed demand of the vehicle. And come here, you can see we have the transmission controller. This is the transmission controller to control the gear switch motor. We have two gear switch motor, which in charge of switch from first gear to third gear, and for this motor switch from 4th gear to 6th gear. So we have totally 6 gear, including the reverse. So totally we have 7 gears. And for the reverse, we don't need to switch using the gear motor. We can control the motor to reverse in the other direction. And this is the output, the input of the gearbox. So the motor will install in this side, and the output of the gearbox is here. The flange, connect to the powertrain, and we also provide the PTO. This is the power takeoff, the PTO, and the PTO will supply additional power to other equipment in the vehicle. Okay, in our warehouse we have also another project. This is the direct drive motor. This direct drive motor we are used in machinery, in a forest machinery project, and it's in hybrid. It's hybrid. One of the motor is the generator, and another motor we use as a drive motor. And this motor, in the nameplate we can see, is rated power 120 kilowatt, and it's very powerful motor, direct drive. And happily we have two different kind of drive train here. This is for the direct drive, and this is for the we call it AMT drive with the transmission. And we hope that in the future we are going to deliver more projects to more customers around the world. Thank you for watching.